Bean Beauties, Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? I am coming to you with a quick unboxing. I'm so excited about it. This is from The Real Real. I got help on this from my friend Jackie from Jack's Bag Attack. And I also got help from Dawn Rose Couture. I've been looking for a Longchamp in the leather because Dawn was telling me that the leather is lightweight enough to where I can absolutely use the handbag. So I had been looking at some and it's like I was like and then this one came across and I saw it and I thought, oh, it's a beautiful color. And then I saw the price and I was like, oh my goodness, I need it. So I went ahead and paid the upcharge, the $5 upcharge for the box from The Real Real because I like these boxes and I like to put store stuff in them. So I went ahead and sent this to Dawn to ask her what she thought about this, if it was a good bag, if it was something that was worthwhile. And she said, yes, definitely. The price break on that is fabulous. And so then I sent it to Jackie because it might have a little, there goes Ginger. It has a little mark of some kind, and I don't know if it's a mark that will need to be repaired or what it is. So I was prepared. I'm prepared for that. I just hope it's not too much. And I said, well, maybe with your help, we can color match if we need to. So this is a leather bag from Longchamp, from The Real Real. And here's how they pack it in the packaging. I just thought y'all might like to see, you know, especially if you're doing a gift for somebody. And that was really why I was curious, is I wanted to see what the Real Real's box looked like. And it's one of those real nice little magnetic, oh, it's not a magnetic box. It has I'm sorry, it has this little tail in it. And then they pack it up really nice with some like black tissue paper. And oh, and it's coming in with a Longchamp bag. So that was nice. I think they told me that. I don't remember. It's been just a little bit. It didn't take too long to get here, but I love the silhouette of this. Let's open this up. So here it is. Ooh, y'all are getting the back view. And it's purple, because purple's a little bit more my color. And right here is the owie. Right here is, they said that it was, what did they call it? A moderate marking on the front. You know, it's dirty. It is, oh, I don't have a wipey with me over here. It was not a scratch on the leather. Oh, that big chunk had just came right off. It's like something got on it, and it goes all the way up here. So I'm confident that I can clean that up. It has the little metal bamboo style clasp here. It has the silver, let me move this. It has the silver hardware. Let's see what the description is. Purple leather, silver tone hardware, single adjustable shoulder strap, nylon lining, and 3 interior pockets, zipper closure at the top. And it doesn't say what the name of the bag is, but it's a Longchamp embossed leather bag. It has the little horsey guy here, and here is the strap. It is in really, really good condition. And it definitely has plenty of length for me to, let's see if I can stand it. It has definitely length for me to wear it crossbody. Oh my goodness. Y'all are not going to believe how much this cost. Let's finish looking at it. It does have the zipper. It has the, which I need a zipper because I tend to drop things. So here's a Longchamp little zipper pull. Here's the inside. Oh, and it's a fun inside. Can you see that? It has geometric designs on the inside, or floral. I can't. Oh, they're butterflies. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a butterfly. Very cool. Very cool. It has the zipper here in the back. And let's see, the zipper works well. It has 2 front pockets right here and right here. And I'm sure that my phone will fit in one of them. Yep, my phone fits perfect in there. It's, you know, like a messenger bag. It kind of gives you that Hermes look of that one bag. I'll have to put it up here. The Ellie bag or L bag. Okay, guess. Put down in the description box your guesses. You know how great deals I try to find. This was, I'm not sure what the original price is on this, but I'm sure it was high because Longchamp leathers are and I'll try to hunt that down for y'all. But the price that the Real had it for was $115. Well, I got it during a 50% off sale, and it is a last call item, non-returnable item. So that's why I went to Dawn and to Jackie to see if, you know, if it was something that was worth grabbing, to make sure, because I'm not, you know, always 100% sure on my own, especially on these kinds. But with that price point, I was actually willing to get it, whether I had time for them to get back to me or not. So it was $57.50 is what I paid. So I thought $57.50, it was worth taking a chance. And this little chunk came right off. And okay, I wish I had. Okay, y'all gonna probably think that this is gross. It's coming right off. So it's just some kind of, I cannot believe that. Oh my God, look, it's gone. So it, whatever it is, look at that. Look at that, absolutely gone. Nothing wrong. The corner wear, it has, let's see, let's look at the corner wear. No corner wear. No, let's see, look on that side. Let y'all look first and then I'll look at it. No corner wear. The piping is good. Nothing on the piping. The strap is fabulous. There's still, I could still make it longer. They have a great strap, even though it wasn't detachable, it was long enough. And oh my God, the hardware is just beautiful. It is so cool. This is high five, high five, definitely. Oh my God, I have a Longchamp leather and Boss leather bag and crossbody. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. I'm so excited. Thank you, Dawn. Thank you, Jackie, for giving me the courage to get it. And I'm so excited. I'll make sure and link the pictures and all that kind of stuff. So girls, ladies, men, go to the Real and just go look at their, when they have the 50% off or their last call items. I'm not sure what exactly they call it, and see what you can find. To do my searches, when I find my deals, what I do first is I go to high to low, and I go to the high to see what their highest price points are. I just scan really quick because I know those high points, you know, $3,000 or what have you. I'm not buying, but I want to see what they have. Then I'll reverse it, probably maybe after a little while, when I'm like, okay, I see what is in their high section, and I'll reverse it, and then I'll do the low to high section. And the reason I do high to low first is because just in case, just scanning real quick, if I find something super great price in a wish list item, a high dollar wish list item, I don't want to miss it. So that's why I'll go and do that first. Then I'll reverse it and I'll take my time and just go scroll through and look for it. And I found this one and I'm so excited, so excited. Thank you, Bean Beauty, so much for coming by and visiting me in my new Longchamp bag. I'm going to definitely wear this in February because February birthstone is purple amethyst, because that's my color, my birthstone color, and I will definitely wear this for that. Thank you very much. Love y'all.